Hi, so today we'll talk about the three major blunders what people commit on the job searching portals or maybe on their social profiles like Naukri, Shine, Times New Job, or maybe LinkedIn. Okay, so this is your friend Saurav Pal. I'm a top IT trends employability strategist and I help software professionals to double their pay package within a span of 90 days. Okay, so come along with me. The very first thing, the very first point what they commit is at the place of their headline or title, they just directly write their designation. Maybe they are software engineer, they are software developer, they are application consultant, they are senior software consultant, or whatsoever their designation is, they directly put that designation into their headline. First thing. Second thing what they do is that they, along with that, their designation, they mention their organization name as well, which whatever organization they're working, they mention that particular thing there itself, like software engineer at Wipro, senior consultant at IBM. So this is the common headlines what people write on the platforms, and if you see the stats, 93.7% people use this. So as soon as whenever someone asks us to update our profiles, we directly go and we check the profiles of other people. That is what we get on their profile as well, and that is the same thing what we copy and we do. Biggest blunders. Okay, I will tell you why it is the biggest blunder, because that is the most general thing. Software engineer, that is a lot of software engineers are present. Okay, consultants, application developers, hell lot of people are there. So why would I categorize myself into a general category? So that is the space to utilize in that particular manner. Coming on to the third point, if you compare your social Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all those areas, and your Naukri profiles, Shine profile, or maybe LinkedIn, the profile pictures are updated every week or maybe month or maybe 2 months, 3 months here on Facebook and Instagrams, but the profile picture on Naukri or Shine or Times New Job, it must be 1 year old, 2 year old. For few people, it can be 3 year, 5 year, 10 years old as well. We don't give attention to those things, and it really matters. It shows that how updated you are and how much organized you are. So these are the three major hurdles or the major blunders what people do, and I don't want you to commit these same things. All right, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video, and if you really resonate with this thing, if you really like the content, then type comment below that you are interested, and I'll share that the private access link to my Facebook group, my Facebook community, where it is a hub of software professionals where we keep discussing the latest things in the market on the employability sector, on the hot technology sector, everything we discuss in that particular community. So if you are interested, just drop in your comment. I'll share that my access to you. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.